If you do most of your Christmas shopping online, which seems to be a thing,
A lot of people do.
Snoopy kids and spouses can find out what you're giving them. And I had no idea this was going on. They ask Alexa.
Oh my goodness, you want to keep that a secret. So while you may be careful not to give too much away on what you're getting someone, those Alexa devices can spoil the surprise. Our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker has more.
Well, many of us love these Alexa devices because they can play Christmas music throughout the house. But you need to know they can also tell someone what you're getting them for Christmas, and you won't even know they know. All they have to do is ask what orders are on the way and what's in your cart. And like a jingle bell blabber, she'll spill the beans.
You have 2 items in your Amazon cart, including...
Amazon hides deliveries, but Santa snoopers have their ways of making her talk. To prevent this, open the Alexa app and choose Notifications, Amazon Shopping. Anything in blue will be announced and shown when someone asks about orders. Now, you might also want to hide orders from your Amazon account to keep someone from seeing what you've purchased and what's on the way. Look for your orders and find one you want to hide and then archive it. And while you're at it, clear your Amazon browsing history. If you don't, they can see every product you've looked at for the past 30 days. So go to your accounts and list, scroll down to browsing history, click the gear icon to delete it, and turn it off at least through the holidays. Now, those changes can only be made on the Amazon website in a browser. If you want to change the settings for these Echo devices, you'll need to do that in the Alexa app. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.